Now in the second video I will explain you about muscular force. Okay, the very first part of contact force is muscular force. It is of two type, muscular and frictional force. Okay, so muscular as its name indicated, using muscles. Okay, so the force which occur due to the action of muscles, it will be called as muscular force. Okay, which uses muscles is called muscular force. We can say force resulting because of action of muscles. Okay, the force which results when we apply force by using our muscles, that will be called as muscular force. Okay, and muscular force is applied only after interaction with the object. Okay, whenever you just interact with any object, or you want to uh, apply force on that object, it is necessary that you come in interaction with that, or you come near that, or you touched that object. So it means you use your muscles. So it will be muscular force whenever you use your muscles. See, I can show you by examples. See, examples are there. First one, when we push the object, like school bag, whenever you come to school and you just hold your bags on your shoulder, or when you lift the bucket of water, or when you lift the bottle of water, we uses muscles. Okay, so that's why this is called as muscular force. Whenever we use muscles for holding anything, or for pushing any object, or for pulling anything, whenever we use our muscles, so the kind of force which will be applied is called as muscular force. Okay, and another example, that animals also use muscular force to carry out their task. Okay, so you can say that all living beings which uses their muscles. Okay, only humans and animals are having muscles. Plants do not have muscles. So you can say that animals and humans, they can apply muscular force. Okay, so animals can also use his muscles. Here you can see in the picture, see these cart. Okay, this man is pulling this cart with the help of these cow, but here this man is not applying force as much as these cow do. Okay, these cows, they are applying force more than this man. Okay, they are using their muscles to pull the cart towards this direction. Alright, so here you can see that animals are also using muscular force. By using their muscles, they are pulling the cart. Okay, and there are wheels also which helps to pull the cart. Alright, so these are the examples. There are number of examples which shows that we uses muscles, and whenever we use muscles, we apply muscular force, which is an example of contact force. Okay, because here we are in contact, two objects are in contact with each other. All right.